Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how to use a multi-lift with a PIR mount to lift a wheelchair out of the rear of a Nissan Murano. Please check out the other videos in the notes field down below to learn lots more about this application and to get more general information. So our first step here, since the wheelchair will already have been inside, is to untie the multi-lift itself. We're going to swing the lift over this way, raise. Now this particular chair is one of those folding portable chairs, so it's a little different from what you might have, but we make a wide variety of tie downs. So here we are swinging the chair right out. Pretty simple and straightforward. Lower, then we're going to release, and you'll see these are just basically carabiners that go around different portions, and the instructions are going to vary from wheelchair to wheelchair. The great thing about the PIR mount is that it's completely non-invasive. We actually supply it with a special trim panel that you're going to use here. The great thing is when you're not using your multi-lift anymore, you don't have to worry about major damage to your vehicle, and you've still got access to your tire compartment, etc., etc. So let's show you just a little bit about how the system works and how portable it is. So everything comes apart. The lift is literally lightweight. Standard duty unit is about 23.5 pounds, and all you've got in your vehicle when the unit is not in use is this mount right here. We're going to bring the camera in a little closer so that we can show you. So your compartment over here still is completely accessible. Your tire, we supply a specific version of the rear trim panel here so that you don't have to modify it, and you'll simply take this out when the installation is done and then return it so that you have a vehicle that looks normal during installation, and during the time that you're using it has a normal cargo capacity, and then when you go to sell your vehicle you simply pop in the old panel and you're back in business. So we'll take you just a little tour here. You can see that it's tied in up in front here, and pretty slick. A little bit of area that we intrude here, but mostly it's pretty normal. And then you got these belt tie downs that come in from the bottom simply to secure the lift while the unit is traveling. Thank you so much for watching our video. Contact us at www.accessunlimited.com for more information, and make sure to check out the notes in the notes field down below to learn a little bit more about this application. Have a great day. Enjoy your travels.